Life insurance in Mora, Minnesota. Whenever you decide to purchase life insurance, you'll probably have yourself involved within the debate on the best sort of insurance to purchase. After all, this is a big investment, and you also need to ensure that whatever policy you have would work to meet your needs and those of the family later on and after your death. Some individuals want only enough coverage to fund their funeral costs, although some desire to outlive their policy's term and use the book's value to invest in a significant purchase. Term life and permanent life insurance are excellent options for policies, but ensure you shop around and choose what's right for you. Purchasing an inappropriate policy to satisfy your financial targets can be a failure to plan properly. Before purchasing an insurance policy, determine if your term, permanent, or a combination of these policies will probably be most helpful to your situation. Keep in mind that a term policy will still only offer the promised death benefit. If you pass away during the term of the policy, your death benefit is going to be paid out to your beneficiary. You won't receive anything back if you don't. Alternatively, permanent life policies can provide death benefits, and they also carry a cash value. This means that living in the evening term of the protection, you will get money back which you can use for whatever purpose you'd like. You can find yourself paying a sizable sum beyond the premium you're paying. If you ultimately choose the correct policy, it may well enable you to purchase some bigger stuff like real estate, property, an excellent education, or even a luxurious trip abroad. This can be done by cashing in or borrowing against a policy. The monthly premium rate is often a major factor for several when purchasing an insurance policy. This makes it important to notice that an enduring policy does carry a greater premium cost than term policies. This is because the permanent policy carries a cash value, whereas another does not. The longer the entire plan's term, the harder it can be worth. A heightened sum of the money can have been put in the protection, and a policy could even have earned dividends, interest, or both. You can expect to pay a greater premium for the permanent life insurance policy, however the premiums will stay the identical for your life of the protection. The term life insurance premiums often change during an insurance period. Remember, the excess premiums which you pay on a plan is money well spent. In case you cash in your policy before your death increases in size or tax deferred, there usually isn't any tax due on a death benefit. You'll need to consider many factors when picking out how much coverage you may need. You will have to consider your allowance, your desired quality lifestyle, the quantity and ages of any children you might have, and any other unique family needs. To determine the correct form of insurance you may need and the coverage that is suitable in your case, you should utilize a qualified insurance broker. Life insurance is an important part of planning for your future, no matter what option you choose.